In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze your camera on Zoom. This is a simple trick that makes your video appear paused without turning your camera off. It's handy if you need a brief break during a meeting or want to keep a steady on-screen presence while you step away for a moment. We'll do this using Zoom's built-in virtual background feature, so you don't need any extra tools. First, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the app is up to date so the settings you see match what I'm describing. You can do this before a meeting or even while you're in one, but it's easier to set it up beforehand so you can switch to it quickly when you need it. Next, go into Settings, then open the Video section and head to Backgrounds and Effects. Depending on your version, it may be called Virtual Background. This is where Zoom lets you change what appears behind you. We're going to use it creatively to replace your live video with a still image or a short clip, which will make your camera look frozen to everyone else. Now, upload your image or video in virtual background. For the most convincing freeze, take a well-lit photo of yourself facing the camera with a neutral expression. Try to match your real-life setup, the same chair, background, and lighting. Click the plus icon to add media, choose your image, and select it. Once you pick that image, your video feed will show that still frame, which looks just like a paused camera to other participants. If your Zoom version supports it, you can also upload a short